Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Gadget. This is the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen laptop with a rollable screen that expands when you need more space. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's real and it's here. Let's dive into what makes this laptop a game changer. So let's go. Lenovo has always pushed the boundaries of laptop design, but the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 takes innovation to the next level. It looks like a regular laptop at first glance, but with a simple press. Its rollable OLED display expand vertical gives a extra screen real estate instantly. But that just is a start. This laptop is packed with features designed for creator, professional or multitaskers. Rollable OLED display is the headline feature. The screen extends upward, providing more vertical space perfect for coding, video editing, or reading long documents. Powerful performance powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processor and paired with the Intel Re graphics. This laptop can handle demanding tasks smoothly. Loaded screen, not only do you get a rollable main display, but there is also a secondary link display on the left, letting you check notification or quick notes without opening the laptop. AI powered features with built-in AI enhancement, you get smarter powered management, real-time translation, and even AI assistant to help you with workflow automation. Ultra portable design deposits the rollable screen. ThinkBook Plus Gen remains lightweight and compact, making it perfect travel and hybrid work setup. All-day battery life. Lenovo promise up to 12 hours of battery life, and with fast charging, you can go from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes. Premium build and security with fingerprints lock and AI face unlock. And enterprise grade security, your data stays safe. Plus, the aluminum chassis gives it a silk and durable look. So is the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 the future of laptops? It sure looks like. Yet if you are someone who needs more screen space without carrying an extra monitor, this could be your dream machine. What do you think? Would you buy a laptop with a rollable screen? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.